Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove any image background professional quality and download HD quality easily. See, I want to remove this image's background. Open your browser, go to this link below in description. Click Start from a photo. See background removed successfully. Now click Download. Click Standard Resolution. See background remove quality is best. That's it. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.